after this sentence, you always have to tell something usually, and you're like, okay, what should I do now? So yeah,
Yeah.
well, welcome to our weekly in this sunny day in Frankfurt. Yeah, and maybe in Hanau also.
We get
Uh,
pretty much the same weather, man. It's 20 kilometers.
it's sunny there. Is it my connection? All good? All good?
It's
You
good.
hear me? Okay,
Yeah, I
okay.
hear you.
So yeah, we have not so many updates for today, but we have some. We have some. Uh, so I'll switch this one also. No problem. So let me open the board. Which we have. Yeah, as I told before, the HR will support us with the pull request which he already made. So
Hmm.
he has several open, which is basically two of them. It's a source update, endpoint, and partial upload. He provided today already the commit for the update. I didn't validate it yet. Uh, Also, I merged his pull request related to the creation of new source. That we have already done. So we can make a new source. With API, so basically, yeah, the boss tickets which are left for this part is on HR, and I try to validate them quite soon. Uh, yeah, also, I made a very small pull request yesterday, like kind of asleep at 2 o'clock at night, and just decided to make some hotfix. Basically, I just mentioned that we have here errors variable which never used, uh, and basically there's no sense to have it even because wait, interface with because basically we throw an exception if there is an error always. This means here was return error. It makes no sense basically. Uh, if we have an errors because the system will throw an extension or exception. Uh, System will throw extension. That's interesting. Yeah. So that's quite a small one. Unfortunately, I cannot validate my pull request myself, and maybe I wrote some not valid stuff there. So David, it's on you now. Now it's your responsibility for this one. Um, yeah, we have this extension for measure bulk performance, which we discussed with you. I started to align some comment there. Also, we got some comment from Andriy, who said it's not recommended to include any infrastructure related code in core if possible. I basically agree. I also answered him that first of all, yeah, I try those APMs that are not fit to our needs to make those tests again and again. So if you want to make a test one-time test, we basically even don't need a pull request. We just do it and go to results. My idea was more wide that any people Magento related can use standard performance tools Magento using like Gmeter to run the test themselves if it's possible. Uh, so yeah, the question is here still open if it's somehow possible to provide a Magento code for testing, because I have a strong feeling that with the guidelines it's not possible to do. If it's not, then I would say we just will make a separate repository, maybe even outside of Magento, or maybe David, you can make us in some Magento Hcom GitHub repo. We will just put the code there. If somebody need it, he can find it. Otherwise, I mean, yeah, just what do you think about this?
Um, yeah, that's a good question. We had a chat earlier this week about this one, right?
Yeah.
So we have this sort of testing on infrastructure at the moment, but it's
Yeah,
all
we have a
closed.
testing which basically provides a set of testing tools. But the issue here, I never see some testing, performance testing perhaps also patches which include some PHP code there, which is basically Magento extension, which have to be an extension.
Yeah. Let me continue to chat with the performance testing guys here and see what I can find out if this is possible or what the best option will be for this one.
Okay, good. Then yeah, let's leave it for now. I aligned this change web API request pull implementation and I dropped the guest message to you or Vova. If guys you can do the restart the tests will be nice. What I thought. Okay.
Oh yeah, because we activated the sync yesterday, right?
Yeah, I guess it's okay for you basically to run the test. I guess you don't need it because if I'm correct, when you run the test, it's taken only the pull request which you do in immersion into the main line of Magento. This means this one should not be a problem for now. But that's why, yeah, if you can run at least performance tests, which was a problem before, would be nice. What else we have? Yeah, I'll drop the message to Roman related to his pull request, so he can proceed it. Hope he will answer this soon. He waited while we finished the source upload stuff, so it's done. Can be already aligned. For the import itself, I will take care about this. Hope next week, then we can proceed on this point also. I guess that's all for now for updates from my side. I don't know, Marian, I saw you took the ticket for the Redis usage for bulk of operation. Do you have any questions or like any progress? I don't know. What is your update?
Well, neither nor questions, no progress sadly yet, but I think I will focus on it soon.
Okay, good. Yeah, feel free. I mean, if you need help, you can always ping me or David. I guess better me. Okay, then I guess for now that's all. So the big issues are open. That's import itself, the main pull request for the import functionality, which I will try to refactor till next our meeting. Yeah.
Cool.
Any questions?
Nothing from my side.
Okay, good. Then have a nice day and see you next week.
See you.
Bye bye, guys.